Alright, before we jump into the fun part of the video, I want to show you guys the interior of the truck that me and Matt have been working on. So we got a lot of the interior parts in now, so let's check it out. So on this side we have a door card in now that we didn't have before. We have carpet now that we didn't have before. We have a Poochie dog that we didn't have before. Everything is matching now. This carpet cost it was like 14 bucks at Menards, and then Matt built made the shift boot here for it, which comes out real nice. We did have to weld like tabs onto the floor to put that in there, and I don't know if I remember I showed you guys behind the seat here, but where it was like bare metal before we did carpet up the sides. You can see better on that side. And all I left to do is I want to put carpet on this bottom piece of the door. See, it was glued on there when it was a camper. Thanks for checking it out. Now let's get to the action.
Alright, Marshall, what's going on?
So we're pulling the engine off of this old 22R frame. And so to do that, we've put a crane on the back of the 1-ton. And we're going to try and lift this thing out of here.
Oh yeah.
So we're hooked up, we're unbolted, we should be able to pull it.
Well, of course, it's double the Toyota power.
Right. 44 RRE. Easy good. It's also like a how-to on how to pull your engine in 30 seconds. Or brake ratchet. We're not sure yet, but one or the other. It could be world's first, either way you look at it. Freedom! That wasn't 30 seconds. But it was pretty dang quick. Still has the hole there. Yoda, get out of the way. One. That was fun. How cool is that?
That was pretty cool.
All right, craning with the 1 ton. Fucking awesome.
All right. Next up, we're going down the highway.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh.
All right.
That worked fucking well. All right, we're gonna try and put it on this transmission jack thing here. We'll let her down and figure some stuff out. We could just screw more boards on. I mean, you're not wrong. We got boards and screws.
Yeah, but
So trying to get that engine pan right in the hole there.
yes, I'm trying to do.
Cool.
Maybe we put a block here or something.
Hold it up a little straighter.
Yeah. Not a big block. It's gonna be off.
Why? Got something bolted on?
Yeah. But for now.
Alright, go ahead.
Yeah, I trust that for
Yeah.
a day or two.
Yeah, no, like,
We're not moving around any further than probably just pushing it forward.
yeah,
So
getting out the way of the door.
yeah.
Sweet.
Voila.
Bravo.
Oh. Congrats. No, that was might be the best invention yet.
Yeah. All right, guys. I guess that's the end of Crane Truck for now. Thanks
Yeah.
for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share
And,
with your friends.
Let us know if you want to do more of this, because
It was kind of fun.
yeah, we could figure out how to do this again,
Yeah.
or drop things. I don't know, but yeah, let us know.
Peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.